Hi everyone, this is Meenal Vijay Pense and let's see what the month of September 2020 has in store for the sun sign Capricorns. So for the Capricorns, this is going to be an absolutely excellent month for you. In general, the entire month you will feel very enthusiastic and energy, and you will be all about going out and doing and achieving what is it that you want. So overall, it's a very excellent month. You will literally feel like a childlike energy bustling out of you. So yes, it's a very enthusiastic and a happy month for you in general. Moving on to the workspace is going to be incredibly creative. So let's say you're a self-employed person, you might actually have a lot of ideas, new creative ideas or inputs that you might want to put in your current profile of work or your body of work to make it even more better and interesting and even more progressive. So this month is literally the month of you wish it and you just did it. All you have to do is just see to it that you put in consistent and persistent efforts, and whatever you really are wanting to do, you will actually achieve it by the end of the month. So it's a very beautiful month, even at a workspace, where you will literally manifest things and you will make them happen. In matters of finances, again, it is a wonderful month because your work is very good. The finances also will be effortlessly very smooth and flowing, and you might actually want to pamper yourself and sit back and relax and have fun times with your family and spend nicely the hard-earned money that you are going to, particularly for this month. In matters of relationship, again, it's a very beautiful month. This is going to be a month where your partner will exceptionally understand what is it that you are trying to say. So if in case you have anything in your mind, this is the month where you can actually bare your soul, bare your heart out and have a word with your partner, because this month is going to be a lot of understanding, love and very smooth, effortless communication happening between you and your partner. However, just see to it that in all this you are not you do not get a little bit egoistical about it. So what happens is, when everything goes your way, sometimes it's a human tendency to develop that, okay, you know what, I'm the boss. So put that bossy tendencies down and see to it that you spend this entire month in a very loving manner. Health wise, this is finally the month, especially for people who have been procrastinating a lot about, okay, you know what, I'll do it next month, okay, you know what, I'll do it next month. So if you've really been wanting to follow that exercise regime since quite some long time, the cards suggest that it is high time that you actually get up and do something about your health, failing which there are chances that you may actually be sick for quite some time. A health of word of precaution regarding the health matter is, at least for this month of September 2020, stay a little away from sugary and sweet stuff, because what's going to happen is, this month is going to be very beautiful month and you will be on an emotional high after a very long time, and you might actually land up indulging yourself in a lot of things, including sweets. So particularly stay off sweets for this month, and believe me, it is an incredibly beautiful month, especially for the Capricorns, for the month of September 2020. Here's wishing you a very beautiful and a happy, blessed month ahead.